have my 2005 Volkswagen Golf TDI. It's a 4-door, and I got a headlight out and a tail light, and I'm going to be replacing my wiper switch also. Okay, so now I'm going to try to tackle the wiper switch. First thing, disconnect the battery so the airbag doesn't hit me in the face. Oh, where's it? Handy dandy crescent wrench. Oh. Fine, I'll just use this. Nope, that's not a good idea. I'll find the right tool. Here. Alright, I'm back. So, can't find my crescent, so I'm just gonna grab the first thing I see here. Look, right on top. 10mm. See if this works. Oh, what do you know? It works. Loosen this side up. Come on. There you go. Nice and loose. Take these off. Ooh, I gotta clean that. Jeez. I'll clean that later. For now, battery's disconnected. Close this, and we'll go in the cab. Okay. So I gotta take this off. I disconnected the battery because I don't want the airbag popping in my face when we're trying to get it off of here. I'm gonna turn the key on, make sure that there's no power at all. Key out. And there's, oh, I guess I should leave the key there. I gotta turn it around. So on the back side, on either side, there's these two little slits that hold this on. Let's see if I can get it off of there. This might be too long. Yep, that's too long. I'm gonna have to get a shorter one. Okay, so in these Golfs, MK4s apparently, you got you can move the steering wheel in and out. You want to pull it all the way out, lock it in place, and on the back side here there's a slit for this screwdriver to go into. Come on. There you go. I feel like it's not. Let me try this side first. Come on. Yeah, it's not working for some reason. Alright, I'm gonna go in there with the smaller one. It's a little shorter and thinner. See if I can feel what the heck's going on in here, because it's giving me a hard time. Oh, there you go. I guess I was going in too far with the big one. Let's get the clip on the other side. Come on. Oh, oh man. I heard it. All right, I'll be back. Whew. Success. So this plug goes into here, all right, and these go into this. So if you come in on the back side here, where's it? There you go. Oh. You gotta push. Anyway, so the hole's on the other side, about right here. You gotta push this bar down. Push this bar down to get it off of here, and then it'll come off. So that's where I'm at now. So now I have to take the steering wheel off. Got the airbag off. I'm gonna cheat and look at somebody else's video real fast. All right, now that I got the right tool, I had to go and get one of these. Oh, come on, get off of there. Dang it. I'm gonna go get one of these T55s. T55. I hope I'm not the only one that struggles with these stupid things. They sure make it to where it's hard to get them off of there. Junk. There it is. So, bam, just like that. My little half-inch drive, my extension, wherever it may be. Let's put this on the floor. There she is. Bam. Oh, it's 3/8. Need that one. Get my 3/8 drive. 3/8 extension. Oh, it's kind of low. That's okay. I'm sure I have another one, but oh, hey, that was a little easier than I thought it was going to be. So, that's out. You can see right here, got this mark. Oh, it looks like it's been off before. I don't know if you can see that very well, but there's a line here and a line here. It looks like it might be one tooth off. Somebody had this off here before. Let me remove this because it looks like it's not. Alright. And this comes off really easily. Oh, lost the spring. Now we're good. I'll find it later. Spring here, another one right there, I guess. Alright, so now I gotta get a little Phillips. Take these off. A little Phillips. Don't be jealous of my little roadside side of the road kit here. Philly. I need my Philly. I sworn there was something. Might be a liar. This little short one. Oh, that's not even Phillips. Let's see if this one works. Punch. I could have sworn there was a. Okay. So, in here. Oh. Well, that shit's broke off in there. Oh, that was broke off too. This one's still holding on, looks like. Yeah, that one's still holding on. Oh, this whole thing is broke. Oh, that's not good. Is there any more up here? No. Down here. No. Way down here. Nope. It looks like just one screw right here holding on. And I need to be a little longer. Story of my life. Die. I could have sworn. Oh, hey, that lid comes off. Could have sworn that I had a Phillips in here. But I guess not. Vice grips, huh? Regular Allens. Dang it. Thought I had everything I was gonna need. Alright, I'm gonna go find one. Okay. Found it. I've got one now. I'm not even sure if it's reaching it, but maybe. Yeah, that's getting it. See, this gap is getting bigger. Maybe, come on. Almost. Maybe I'm lying about that too. No, there it goes. That's a lot of turns. Get off of there. Well, without this one screw, it's actually just gonna fall apart. Oh, get it. Oh, shoot. Ooh, magnetic. Very nice. Don't worry about those. This. just like that. So we got a little clip, comes off, supposedly. Clip, plug right here, comes on the back of this. And does this come off? How does this come off? Let's get a clippy up top. Oh, clippy. Let's get another clip. Yep, another clip, sideways clip. That comes off. Oriented like this. Got the stops. This goes in there. This one in there. This one in there. Now I can disconnect this wiper switch, which is the one that's giving me problems. So let's see if I got plugs to remove back here too. Actually, I think I could take this off first before messing with that. Alright, now I got the right thing. Give my little so I went and got my new replacement one. It doesn't have the Audi VW stuff all over it, but I'm hoping it'll work. It should. If not, I'll just take it all apart again. Did I put away that screwdriver? No, there it is. So apparently, all you have to do on this is put this tab right here and wiggle this out. There it goes. Don't just yank it out of there because it's got plugs on the back. So undo the plugs. Okay, fine. One side. One side. Come on. Stay. There you go. What was that? Oh, thing. That's what I thought. Okay. So, I mean, this doesn't look bad, but everything I've read, if the wipers stay on and won't shut off, this is what's bad. So, I'm gonna replace it. No, dang it. Okay, so I had to kind of take this one apart, which just these 4 screws to be able to get to these clips right here on the other side to get them off. Take this up. Because this second one here, probably can't see that, but it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 are the only 2 used. Number 5 here was really low, and it wasn't gonna make connection. I was trying to pull on it, thinking it would like click into place, but it wasn't. So I opened it up and got inside, and I'll show you on the other one because I want to see if that something in there went bad. But it looks like, you know, it's got little designs and crap of looks like motherboard stuff. Anyway, so I got in there, and the back side of this one, number 5 here, was a little bent. So I flattened it out and put it back together, and it looks good now. So all right, here we go. Plug it back in. Plug in that one. I'm hoping this works. I'm hoping I'm not just wasting my time here, because that would suck. 4, 5. slide it back over these right here, and it should just click into place. It's not... Oh, you sucker. Get back out here. Okay. Fine. Sure. Slide into place. Clicky. Clicky. Yes, it is in there. It's not letting me pull it back out, so. Okay, so now I can take this back down, pull this back towards me. What? Yeah, whatever. Okay, so that's in. That's right. Let's put this back on. Brazil. Nice. I'm guessing it goes like this. That's right. Alright, now it's time to put this back on. So over here. That's the inner circle, so this was over here like this, right, like that. This back in. Okay, steering wheel. Oh, I gotta find that spring now. Okay, so now we're gonna put this back on a little mark in the mark. Let's see. No, that's not right. One more. Right there. Perfect. Okay, so plug this guy back in. And bolt. Where'd it go? And up here. There it is. And this guy back in. Oh, you know what? I'm supposed to put this stuff back up down. Let me unscrew this. Whoopsie. Good thing I didn't go too far. Alright, let's put this back down. Let's just pull this out. Yeah. Down. Like so. Put this back up. I'm not even sure how that's supposed to go. Sure. it's going. Right? Sort of. Bam. Sure. Perfect. Okay. Let's see if we can send that screw back in there. There's bows. To replace this right now, and I need this thing back on the road, so I'm not even gonna mess with it. I'm just gonna put this one screw back in. Hopefully it's grabbing. Should be. Nope. This is just all kinds of messed up right here. Moving all over the place. Get out of there. Okay. Stay. Okay, now I can put this back on. Okay, let me get this right again. Bam, first shot. Okay. I don't know what the spec is on that. Weight. Should put on there. Probably should, if you start doing this, you probably should have it, you know, like the wheels are straight or something, but it's really good. Felt nice and tight. Let me find the spring now. There she is. Okay. Bam. Okay, now you put this sucker back in here. This way. Plug this back in to the center. Click. Click. All right, now, whatever. I'm gonna plug the battery back in. I took the fuse out a long time ago, so I'm gonna put the fuse back in for the wipers, and then I'll see if this sucker works. Okay, so a while back, just we were having problems. I bought. Oh, they're not in there. Where'd they go? Are they in here? I bought a pack of fuses so that if it happens, I can replace a fuse. There they are. Replace a fuse and keep going. A bunch of little tins. So now that I've supposedly fixed our little problem, I can put it back in there. So it goes. Let's see. 27, 24. This is top corner right there. Yep. Sure. I don't know. These look like the wrong ones. I think these are the, yeah, this is for something else. Shoot. Blinker. What was going on here? Key. Anyway, I'm gonna put, it looks like this 15 is not doing anything. Yeah, it's a blank. So I'm gonna put it in this spot for the wipers. I know it's upside down, I'm sorry, forgive me. Let's see here. Click together. Click together. Alright. Key. Would you look at that? Freaking works. Let's see if the backs. Nope, backs don't work. I gotta fix that. So I guess if you're, for some reason your wipers just decide to go without even having the arm clicked, then 27. Oh yeah, right there. Fourth one down. Shoot, I need to get a fuse. Pretty sure they're 10. I don't know. I can't remember what I did with them. So I'm gonna have to get a fuse and a bigger one. This one popped. So yeah, it should work though now that the fronts work. So yeah, complete.